Hi, now we're in my kitchen. The next thing to do is to empty the dishwasher. Now, a lot of us don't empty the dishwasher right away in the morning because, well, we don't need to refill it yet. We don't have any dishes to put in there yet, so why bother emptying it? Well, instead of letting your sink fill up with dishes and then because you have clean dishes in here, or as you go through the day taking dishes out only as you need them instead of putting them away first, you're actually wasting your own time because instead you're putting dishes in your sink instead of being able to have your dishwasher available to put them directly in there, so that later at night, once everything's done, all the meals are done, and all the dishes are in there, it's just ready to go. You don't have to take everything out of the sink and rinse it again and put it in there because you've already been doing that through the day. So, empty your dishwasher in the morning. I'm going to do mine now. These are cool popcorn containers. Anyway. And to organize it there. That'll be another day, another video. As you can tell, I have a pretty small kitchen. Oops. I just dropped a spoon on the floor. Dishwasher's empty though. So now, the spoon I dropped on the floor can go directly in there. And some breakfast. And I emptied from the lunch pail. Hadn't gotten there from yesterday. Now my sink's empty too, because all my dishes are where they belong in the dishwasher instead of cluttering up my sink, which gets in the way if I were to want to fill up the tea kettle or get more water in the Brita. If I had dirty dishes in there, they'd be in the way. So now they're out of the way in the dishwasher because I took a moment to unload it. So to go unload the dishwasher. I just wiped up my sink too.